Hey everybody, my name's Alannah Jade and I'm the director here at Ella Jade Hair in Brisbane, Australia, and today I'm here with my lovely model Sophia. I'm so excited to be showcasing Goldwell's latest innovation in hair colour, Topchic Zero Ammonia, and I'm going to be using it in conjunction with pure pigments to get really creative today on Sophia's hair. So we've just put the sections in on Sophia's hair for the creative colour placement. So what we're going to start with today is a root stretch. We're going to stretch that over everything that's still got depth, and then we're going to continue that into an 8G with the orange and yellow pure pigments, and that's also going to come through that fringe area as well. Through to the side, we've isolated triangular sections through here. So we've got a triangle section, and we're going to use a 6VR with the purple and the pink pure pigments on those sections, just to give a nice contrast between the orange that's through the front. Let's get creative. So we've just finished up with Sophia's creative look. So here we've done the Topchic Zero Ammonia and we've incorporated the pure pigments in with it. And as you can see, it's just really enhanced all of those tones coming through the hair. So we've gone for quite contrasting tones and colours, but they work really well together. The hair feels amazing, it looks amazing. Loving the Topchic Zero Ammonia. Thank you so much for listening, and for more inspirational videos, please head to the Goldwell YouTube video channel. We'll see you again soon.